Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add Instagram on TikTok. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application and then make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, just tap on share profile and here you will get the link of your profile. Copy the link, go to your TikTok application, go to your profile and here go to edit profile. And here you will find several options and there will be an option of links. Head over there and there goes an option of Instagram and YouTube. Go to Instagram and here you have to give your Instagram phone number and password or username or email with which you can just log in and your Instagram link will be attached. And then there's another way to do to add a link. So head over to your bio and here just paste the link of your Instagram, tap on save. And here the Instagram link of your account is saved. So yeah, this is how you can just add it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.